Where did he go? What should I do? Are you awake? Oh no! Answer the phone, please. Why aren't you answering? Where are you? Good morning, sweetie.
Morning, Mom.
I poured us some juice.
Mama, when is Dad coming back home?
I don't know, honey. Not today. You shouldn't be awake, Lily. I'm sorry you saw that.
Sophie, what's wrong?
Everything's gonna be okay.
Are you sure?
You're sure everything's okay?
I'm home.
Daddy!
It's gonna be okay, sweetie.
Daniel, did you not sleep again?
Just happy to see you.
Ready to go, Lily? Wait, Mom, where's the black bag? Lily, are you all right? You seem a little far away today.
I have to do this. It's time to set the alarm.
Mom, what are you doing? Daddy, no! Mama, wait! Where are you going? Don't leave me! Hurry up! Let's go! Where are you going? I'm almost there. I can't lose you. Oh no. Who's there? Sophie, what happened? I'm home, sweetie. Don't worry, I'm okay. Sleep now, sweet Lily. Everything will be all right. I love you. I'll miss you. Goodbye. I'm sorry, Lily, but you have to stay out here.
Why, Sophie?
Just wait. Stay put. I love you.
All right, finally finished. Another night in the books. Ah, that feels better. For you. Thank you so much. I needed this. I'm home. Lily?
Where am I? Don't leave. Stay with me. I won't. I'll stay.
I understand. I'll take care of it. Just stay here. Okay.
Okay.
Daniel? Oh, thank God you're home. Daniel,
Look at me.
look at me. This is what's happening.
Sophie, I'm here. I won't hide anymore.
It's all right, Sophie. I'm here.
But what if?
No what ifs. Open it.
I'm sorry. I know this is hard to hear. But I have to tell you the truth. For Lily.
You've been working in the dark for us.
I know.
I love you, Sophie.
I could never be angry at you, Sophie. Never.
Thank you, Daniel. I see the tiredness.
It was that.
It was worth it. Everything.
We need to tell her. Yes.
Lily, come here.
What is it, Daddy?
Your mother and I have something important to show you.
It's gonna be okay.
I didn't want you to be afraid of it.
What is that? You shouldn't have to do this.
I didn't want you to know. But this is the only way.
Daddy, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Lily. We've got this.
I am so sorry.
It's okay, Mom. We know.
I should have told you.
We understand.
I made a decision. I'm gonna do this.
We're listening, Lily.
We're here for you.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, we're here.
We'll be all right.
Ah!
Come on, let me tuck you in.
There we go. Good morning, sweetie. Breakfast is almost ready.
Ooh, smells delicious. What are we having? And then the teacher said, "That's great, honey." And then I helped him, but he still didn't understand. Can you help me with that later, Daniel? I won't let you down, Dad. Daddy, I'm home. I have something for you.
Oh, what's that, sweetie? You got these for me? Thank you, Lily.
You're welcome.
Behold, the instruments of cleanliness.
Oh, Daniel!
And now, the dance of the dust. Goodbye.
Come on, Sophie, look.
Oh, I see. Looks like someone is ready for breakfast duty.
Watch closely, Lily. Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now give it a gentle tap.
Wow! That's perfect.
Oh, Lily, it's beautiful. My hero?
You drew us.
Yes, you're the one with the mop fighting all the dirt, and that's you and that's me.
I drew him with a mop because he loves to clean the floor every day.
Oh, that's such a lovely detail, darling.
I'm home. Hello?
You're so fast. Whee!
Oh, how wonderful.
Thank you. It's beautiful.
You see, this is a special kind of equation.
Oh, I see it now.
And if you use this rule...
It makes perfect sense.
Exactly.
Here are the teas, Daniel.
Thank you, Sophie.
Look at this page, Dad.
That's a great drawing, Lily.
Just looking at you.
The princess found her true love, and they lived happily ever after. Good night, Lily.
Good night, sweetie. Hi there. Book's good. Just checked on her. She's sound asleep. I can't believe it. What is it, Sophie?
What happened?
She got in.
You're going to Disney World.
Wow.
No way.
Yes! Oh my gosh!
Is this really it?
It is.
I can't believe it. Yes, I'm resigning.
I'm so proud.
We did it. I remember this.
Thank you, Daniel.
Look at this.
Wow, it's perfect.
We're all here now. I have something important to tell you. Oh?
What is it, Lily? I feel so much better now.
Me too, Daniel. We're finally safe.
Good night, Dad. Thank you for the best day ever. I love you.
Wow, what are those?
Ta-da! Aren't they magnificent? These gloves are more than just for cleaning, Lily. They're a symbol of what's to come.
Yes, I understand.
I needed to be sure. I've found my answer now. I know. I understand completely.
I know you do.
And now I want to share something truly special. Lily, you've written a remarkable story that captures the imagination. It's full of heart and creativity. Yeah! I got it! I got it! Look what I made. Oh, my sweet...
I never saw it before, but I see it now. And I'm so proud.
Cheers to us.
To a perfect night. Bottoms up?
Oh, gulp, gulp, gulp. Ah, Lily, you drank it all.
That's my girl.
Can I start? Go ahead, sweetie.
Look at this.
Chew first, Lily.
She's excited. Oh, okay.
That's better. Do you remember this, Daniel?
It's the hero bag. I think this is what we've been waiting for.
I believe you. We can do it. You look so handsome, sweetie. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Mom. Bye.
Bye, honey.
I'm home.
Daddy! Welcome home.
Welcome home, sweetie. Missed you.
Oh, Daddy, it's so good to be home. I missed you too, my love.
I am so incredibly proud of you, Lily. You are the bravest girl I know.
Yes, we'll be fine. Thanks, Dad.
All right, ready for school, sweetie?
Yes, let's go. Bye, Mom.
Have a great day, you two.
It was 11:58 p.m. I remember being so scared.
Just a shadow. What was it?
I have to know the truth. Where am I going? No! It can't be him! What is he doing in there? What is this?
Sophie. Sophie.
This isn't what I thought.
Oh, look what she made. It's beautiful, Lily. For you. You got an A on your essay.
My Lily is so brilliant. I am so proud.
I feel so complete right now. Me too, Sophie. Me too.
I can't believe it's already sunny.
Looks like it's gonna be a perfect day.
Can we go to the park later?
I could stay here forever.
Me too, my love. Good morning, my sweethearts.
Mommy, Daddy, I love you so much.
We love you too, sweetie. You're our whole world.
Woo!
Oh, Lily, be careful.
She's so silly. Watch this. Ta-da!
We see it. Ready for breakfast?
Ready?